Hi families, we're going to try something new today, okay? So I've got a screen off to the side so we can see what's going on. For this activity, you're going to need a measuring teaspoon and then a liquid measuring cup. I just have a small one because we have small hands, okay? You'll also need baking soda and vinegar. Any kind of vinegar will do, the cheaper the better. You can use food coloring. You'll want a cookie tray and some sort of a cookie cutter. First, we're going to put our cookie cutters on the tray. You put your cookie cutters on the tray, girl. Evie, where's your cookie cutters? Okay, so we'll put our cookie cutters on the tray. I saw this experiment from one of my friends, Dr. Letty with UNK, and it's on their K-Town Shakedown Facebook page. Now, Evie's over here measuring out baking soda, and she's going to dip her teaspoon into the container, and then she's going to pour it. She's already done 1 teaspoon. Okay, pour it into she's pouring it into our liquid measuring cup. It will work. Then we're going to dump the baking soda into our cookie cutters. Now, this box is pretty big, so we'll dump it into the 2 teaspoons into the bigger one. And we want to just sprinkle it around so that the edges are full. Okay? Now, Lily's turn to measure, and she's got this really big heart. So how many teaspoons, how many of these spoons do you think it'll take, Lily? You want to try 3 or 4? Lily's going to try 3. Okay, so Lily's going to measure 3 into this measuring cup. Yes. You ready? So we want to scoop up. This box is almost empty. So we need to scoop up the measuring cup, the measuring spoon. We level it off. We dump 1. And we dump another one for 2. Make sure that we're still recording. Okay. Oh, Lily said 3. So we're going to do 3. Do you think 3 or do you want to try 4? Your choice. What? Say it loud.
4.
4. So we're on 3. How many more do we need? 3 plus what makes 4? 3 and 1 more makes 4. So now Lily's going to sprinkle. Let's turn on this video. Lily's going to sprinkle into, go ahead, sprinkle it into the heart shape. We're gonna sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Ooh, that one's nice and full. Now I'm going to take my fingers and spread it out to all of the sides. Okay. So we've already filled a butterfly. We filled our fox. We're going to fill our heart. I'm gonna stop video on that one. Then, Evie, you can fill the Easter egg. Do you want to do 1 scoop or 2 teaspoons? 2 teaspoons, so fill it, level it off. Yep, dump it in. 1 teaspoon. Okay, can I help you fill it, please? Okay. Oh, my box is almost empty. Let's just use this one. It'll make life less stressful. Okay, this box is pretty full, so it'll be easier. The fuller your box, the easier it is to scoop. Okay, oh, and there's 2 teaspoons. Now, Evie, you're going to take your cup, and this is just an extra step. You don't have to do it this way. You can just sprinkle it from your measuring spoon. Evie's going to take her cup and dump it into the egg. Okay. And yeah, you can use your fingers and spread it out so that it gets to all sides of the egg. Oops. This doesn't have to be perfect. It'll be okay. Now we have to do our either bat, if it's this way, or alligator. And we decided it's an alligator. Okay. I'm going to help Lily measure alligator. But how many are you going to do? 1 or 2? 2. Okay, so we'll sprinkle 1 in. And then, oh, Evie, no more. And then we'll sprinkle. Should we show them how you're sprinkling? And she's going to sprinkle in 2. Okay? Then she's using her fingers to spread it. You want to add the other spoon? Okay, we are done with our baking soda for now. Excuse me. So I'm going to set it off to the side. You can hold on to that teaspoon. Now comes the fun color activities that we can do. What color do we want our butterfly to be?
Purple.
Purple. And what 2 colors make purple?
Blue and red.
Okay, so we're going to put some drops of food coloring. We'll put a couple blue.
Evie, no.
Oh, Evie, leave it down, please. Stop, Evie.
No, I didn't do it.
We have to be patient. And then a couple. Oh,
Red.
Mommy doesn't want to get food.
No.
And then a couple red. Okay, so we've got 3 blue and 2 red. Now, what color is our fox going to be? Should our fox just be red? We'll make our fox red. So we'll put a couple of drops of red in. Oh, they're helping me, Dad.